This is Dead Curious, where real police footage meets unbelievable true stories. What you're about to see is real, but how does it end? You won't believe it. The following critical incident video details. A deputy involved shooting that occurred on September 3rd, 2025. Warning: this video contains graphic images and language. Viewer discretion is advised.
Daytime Sheriff's Office, where is your emergency?
There is a guy walking down at Weber Road with an assault rifle and fountain.
Okay, what is your name?
And
okay.
I was actually just heading home because this is the same guy that was stalking me at my work yesterday.
Okay, just stay on the line with me. Are you close to Edward Road in Weber?
Yeah, I just kept driving. He waved at me and smiled, and I didn't turn down Edward. I just kept going straight.
Mr. Smith.
How do you know my name? I didn't give you my name.
I know you didn't.
You reached for your gun. It don't work.
Mr. Smith.
I'm not reaching for mine.
I know you're not.
Reach for yours.
Mr. Smith.
Reach for your gun.
Grab that by the strap and put it down, please.
Camera on? I don't see no red
It's
light.
on.
Sure.
Mr. Smith, do you know where you're at?
Yeah.
Where you at?
Wake County. I'm on Edith. No, is this Edith Height? Nope.
It is not.
This is Carolina. Subdivision.
Okay. Can I take that off of you?
Huh?
Can I take that by the strap and get it off of you?
You worried about it? You got a gun. You got two of them.
I know. You got two
Why
as
you
well.
want mine? So why you want this one?
Mr. Smith.
Hey, I'm telling you, you touched me, bro. I
Mr.
talked about
Smith.
this shit. Hey, one more. Hey,
Grab it. Don't you touch it.
Don't. No fear,
Man, I got one at gunpoint.
No fear.
Put it down. Put it down. Bay, shots fired. Drop the gun. Drop it. I need code 3 now. I got shots fired.
Code 3 from the office.
Bay, shots fired. One subject down.
Where you are? We have his location.
Weber and 231.
Code 3.
Back up. Back up.
471, same traffic. 25A, covered Weber and 231.
That's one.
Okay, 470 route code 3 from Penny and 231. 40's en route. 6-8, if we haven't already, fire EMS around it.
Mr. Smith.
At this moment, the footage is paused to make it clear what's happening. You can see Mr. Smith move his hand down toward his holster. He pulls out his handgun, raises it, and points it directly at the deputy. In the very next second, he opens fire.
Mr. Smith.
Hey, I'm telling you, you touched me, bro. I
Mr.
talked about
Smith.
this shit. Hey. One more.
Grab it. Don't you touch it.
Don't. No fear,
Man, I got one. Gunpoint.
No fear.
Put it down. Put it down. Bay, shots fired.
After the gunfire ended, the deputy quickly moved in to give medical aid to Smith, starting CPR right there on the roadside. Within moments, other deputies arrived to help, working alongside him until paramedics could take over.
Mr. Smith, stay with me.
Mr. Smith was pronounced dead at the scene by emergency medical services. At the scene, deputies recovered both a magazine-fed shotgun and a handgun, and evidence confirmed that Smith fired 6 rounds from his pistol, while the deputy returned fire with 7. Several of Smith's rounds struck and damaged the deputy's patrol vehicle, but thankfully no deputies or members of the community were injured during the incident. As with all deputy-involved shootings, the Florida Department of Law Enforcement has launched an independent investigation into the case. That was just one of the disturbing moments captured on real police footage. If you want more true stories like this, hit subscribe and check out the next case waiting for you right now. You've been watching Dead Curious.